Databricks Unity Catalog and MLFlow integrations allow you to enrich your real-time data with ML model predictions. Powered by Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, and Serve. From a Jupyter notebook, register a new Python-based model version in MLFlow. Verify whether it's available in Unity Catalog. Back in Nussknacker, configure Unity Catalog integration. Our scenario process events from Kafka topic with car offers. We filter the event stream for offers based on specified manufacturer and production year range. Next, let's add our car price prediction model. Select the correct version as in MLFlow. Nussknacker will generate an input form based on the model specification. Now let's use the prediction value to filter only for bargains. Add a sync topic with our enriched bargain offers. Deploy the scenario and review the results using the live data preview.